Watch a 3D printer produce a whole boat. Utilizing a gigantic 3D printer, the University of Maine assembled the world's biggest 3D printed boat. Here it is. It required more than 3.5 days, however you can see it's anything but a moment. The group set 3 worldwide bests simultaneously: world's biggest 3D printer, biggest strong 3D printed object, and biggest 3D printed boat. In any case, the scientists didn't assemble the boat for idiosyncrasies and records. They constructed it to check whether wood and plastic could cooperate for 3D printing. In the event that wood can be incorporated into huge scope 3D printing, it could fill in as a potential swap for metal, turning into a more supportable other option. Typically, when constructing enormous things, you need metal since it's so solid and unbending. Be that as it may, bio-based materials like wood could offer comparable boundaries for a portion of an expense. Maine is the most forested state in the country, and presently we have a 3D printer sufficiently large to utilize this abundant asset, said Maine Senator Angus King, who went to the boat's revealing. The 25-foot watchboat is presently tried with a breeze machine and wave bowl at a Seaward office, and if the methodology is affirmed, it's anything but a defining moment for 3D printed materials. The key component that permits customary 3D printing polymers to get along with wood is something many refer to as cellulose nanofibers, or CNF. CNF comprises of small strands that can be incorporated with thermoplastic to make the subsequent material a lot more grounded. Cellulose nanofiber is lightweight, sturdy, and has warm extension boundaries comparable to glass. It's likewise economical and has a low natural effect. It's not shocking that groups are hoping to join it. The UMaine Composites Center got $500,000 from the Maine Technology Institute, MTI, to frame an innovation group to help Maine boat builders investigate how huge-scope 3D printing utilizing prudent, wood-filled plastics can furnish the business with an upper hand, says a new Maine news discharge. The group unites the mastery of UMaine analysts and marine industry pioneers to additionally create and popularize 3D printing to profit boat builders in the state. By 3D printing plastics with half wood, boat forms and parts can be created a lot quicker and are more practical than the present customary strategies. This is likewise a venturing stone for other, considerably more aspiring undertakings. 3D printing is entering a brilliant stage, and discovering approaches to join manageable materials with the ideal properties into bigger plans is now a significant field of examination. The University of Maine, as of late, got $2.8 million in financing from the U.S. Division of Energy to foster a more eco-accommodating strategy for 3D printing wind turbine sharp edge molds, utilizing a similar printing framework.